So no one told you life was gonna be this way. 4 or 5 claps. 4. Obviously. It is French reference. Hi. Oh, this is so awkward. I don't know how people do this, but regardless. I've decided to record me and my cousin, who are going to Southeast Asia for 5 months next month. For 5 months next month. For 5 months next month. 4 or 5 months starting next month. I've decided to record it for 2 reasons. Think it'll be hilarious. Number 1, I think I'm hilarious, so therefore I think the whole trip will be hilarious. Number 2, I've been before. We recorded it on a GoPro and we've never done anything with the footage. It's sitting on my friend's camera on a laptop, just sitting there. And I forgot so much stuff that we did. So this time I'm gonna try and record it properly, as in I've got a camera. But before I do that, obviously I'm not in Southeast Asia right now. I'm in my bedroom at my parents' house. Just gonna start off by saying this, if you can see the quote on the wall, I hate it. So if you're watching the video thinking it's that person who's got them like love the life you, I've got it, I hate it, I didn't decide about it, my mum did it when I was away, so let's blame her. But I'm just gonna go through what I'm packing and what I'm taking, because I think it will change. Last time I went, I took a lot with me and came back with like 9 kilograms worth of luggage. So I feel like all this stuff is not coming back with me. So I'm gonna try and do when I come back, and compare if it's all come back with me. That sounds really boring, but that's the sort of stuff that interests me. Backpack wise, taking this one. I've never even thought about taking a suitcase. I've always done it in the backpack, always done it once. Did it in the backpack last time, backpack this time. It's easier to carry, it's just more convenient. Suitcases take up loads of room in the hostel when they open them up and then you're trying to get around them, and not about that life. So this is a 60 to 70 litre backpack, but I'm not going to fill it, she says. I want to leave a little bit of room, so then when I'm unpacking it, packing it, it's not like the worst, because I hate when you've got to try and like put everything back in. So I've got it on my bed. I'm just going to try and show like some of it. So basically, I've unpacked some of it because I don't want to go through every single packing cube, but also I feel like there's no point just showing your packing cubes already full. So this one is my shorts one, and trousers. These I bought from Thailand 2 years ago. They're horrendous, like they're actually awful, but they're so comfortable. They don't even fit me, they're too big, but I don't really care. So stuff like that I'll just wear in the day or at night. These are Phoebe's, my friend who I went travelling with last time. She doesn't know I've got them, I don't think, but I'm taking them with me. And then culottes, I will live in these, like just loose, baggy trousers. I think I'm taking 3 pairs of those because I've got fat thighs, there's no denying it. Transition nicely into gym leggings to try and combat the fat thighs. They're just the short ones, so I can wear them on night buses or on planes, in the airports, to work out, if we're doing like a hike in like Sapa in Vietnam, or anything like that, I've got the option. And then just denim shorts and stuff. So that's the short one. I'm going to try and keep it as organised as possible. That's the shorts. Bikinis. Oh, bikinis. Taking a lot of bikinis. I'm taking 13 bikinis or swimsuits, which obviously I know is too many. But last time I couldn't buy them out there. A lot of people can just buy, if they lose a swimsuit or it gets ruined or they just get bored of it, they can just buy another swimsuit. But I've got the sort of figure where Asian people don't cater for my sort of figure. They're very petite. So I'm taking swimsuits. I'm taking a lot of swimsuits. I've got 13, which I know is too many. Most of them are from Shein or Shein or Primark or Tesco. So like that one's from Shein. This is from Australia. It's a sports bra that I wear as a swimsuit because it keeps everything in if we are doing like a water park or just like I don't know, like a water sport sort of thing. I don't want to be falling out of one. And then just stuff like this is from like New Look. It's just a bandeau top, but it's the sort of swimsuit material. Why am I doing this? Like you can feel it. It's a swimsuit material. Raincoat. Who does raincoat? Underwear. Just showing my underwear. That's weird. Pyjama wise, I'm not taking pyjamas. Last time I took pyjamas, waste of time. I'm just going to take, I mean, these actually are pyjamas, like they're in the pyjama section, but I'd wear them in the day. I'd wear those in the day with like a top. So I'm just taking stuff that I would wear again, I'd wear those in the day. So just 2 vest tops and 2 shorts I can wear in the day. This is going to be a godsend because I missed it so much last time. How can you miss something you've not got? Is that a thing? It's just a like little, what do you even call it? Like a dressing gown. Last time when I was there, do you know when you get out of the shower and you're like red hot and it's sticky and steamy, and like often hostels the shower's further away from the, like, it's not an ensuite, is it? So I just missed having like something to put on, like a dressing gown would at home before you're getting ready, or in the morning when you're like brushing your teeth and stuff after you get out of the shower. So rather than putting clothes on straight away and being like hot and sticky, because like swimsuits on sticky skin ain't good. So that I just throw on. I said I wasn't making a mess, look, and I've already made a mess. But that's my pyjama bag. So we've got trousers, tops, swimsuits, pyjamas, sorry, not got to tops yet. And then this stuff is just like accessories and like miscellaneous stuff. So a hat, it's just from Primark. I'd probably buy a hat out there. I just used my friend's hats last time, but it gets really hot. So a hat, that's the bag for this camera. It's way too big for it. A speaker, again, this is really heavy, but it's really durable, so I'm just going to take it. This is my toiletry bag. I'm not going through my toiletries. We're sharing the toiletries, like I said. Me and my cousin are splitting, or I might not have said. We're splitting the toiletries, but like mine is like hair stuff, and then like this is oh my god, this is the best thing in the world when it's like humid and hot and sticky. It's like a fan, but not a fan. The Essentials Jungle Spray. Stuff I didn't take last time, which I wish I had took, is like hand wipes and tissues. So I'm taking loads of them because often there's like no toilet, it's a hole in the ground, there's no sink, or you're eating like food and there's just like nowhere to wipe your hands, so they will come in handy. That is full of tampons, and again more tissues, necessities. Here are 2 sponges. I mean, they go down to nothing, so it's fine. Trainers, taking 1 pair of trainers, 1 pair of flip-flops, and 1 pair of sandals, which I've not got yet. I think my friends are getting them for my birthday, which is a week before I go. If not, I'll just buy them myself. A water bottle. I know you can buy water out there, but I drink a lot at night, so I figured it's best to have that because I can then fill it up with the cold water and it'll still be cold at night. And then laptop, Kindle. This I'm going to use for all my chargers and wires, so like my headphones will go in there. Bluetooth headphones. I couldn't have the EarPod or AirPod, whatever they're called, because I just lose them. But these are great, like I wear them at the gym at the moment. These are great because you've not got to have your phone on you, obviously. So my phone can be in my bag, I can still listen to stuff. I don't want to have to carry my phone everywhere. Oh my god, I could have hoovered. Microfiber towel, self-explanatory. You don't need a big towel. Padlocks, again, self-explanatory. They're 1 set for me and my cousin. This is my day bag. It's so glamorous. It's just literally from Amazon. It's like a showerproof bag that folds into itself. And at the moment, it'll be my airport bag as well because I'm just not a glam person. At the moment, it's just got like money wallet. This is so essential. I think this is from Boots. This one. When you're going out at night or just on trips, you can put it underneath your shorts, underneath your clothes, and then you can have your money and your passport or your phone in there. This will be at the airport for my passport and my boarding pass and stuff. This will be for my money when I go out in the day in my bag if I've not got my money wallet on, or just for like if I need a tampon or whatever. Face mask for the plane. I've started packing a little bit, like, you know, like mirror and stuff for the plane. Laundry bag just for, oh god, I'm so stupid. Laundry bag just for laundry. Wow. Then these go in there, but this is tops and dresses. I mainly will just live in these. Like dresses and play suits like this. This one's just from Primark. Just so comfy. And when you go to the temples and the like religious places, you have to cover your arms. So like they cover your arms. This one's from Urban Outfitters, and it's just like a long one. That's from Shein. Again, it's just a long one. And then 8 or 9 tops. I have made a mess. Didn't said I wouldn't, but I have made a mess. But that's basically everything that is going in my big bag. Okay, I packed it all. That's everything like laid out, as you've just seen. I've just put it all in. There's a part in this video where I said, oh, I've not packed it completely full, there's a bit of leeway. Prior to this, I had it packed, but the stuff I've been buying I just placed on top of my bag, and I thought it would fit in. It is all in here. I may have to take a few things out. I think I'll be fine. What's not in here is a pair of trainers that I'm going to be wearing, my laptop, my Kindle, my camera, which will be in my bag with me, and my makeup. Makeup wise, I'm judging by how full this is, I'm taking like 3 things. I'm only going to take like mascara, concealer, eyebrows, maybe like a bronzer and highlight palette, and that's it. Which will just go like in a little bag, which hopefully will fit in there. If not, I'm going to keep it on me at all times. A hoodie, which I'll be wearing to the airport. God knows where it's going to go after. I have to get rid of some stuff. But like toiletries and stuff, once they get used, there'll be a lot more room. So, this is it. This is it packed. I don't think you can see. Let me go back. Like, it's quite big. It's like the size of my top half, which is quite large, let me tell you. The reason I like this bag, and the reason we've got this bag as opposed to the other one, which I will get in a second to show you, if you want, is because it opens like a suitcase. So it opens from the top, obviously. I'm just going to show you quickly. It opens from the top, and there's like a drawstring. Oh God, with stuff in. But when you're in the hospital, it's so annoying having to get it all out. So this one opens also like a suitcase a bit, so you can like see my packing shoes like wedged in there, but you can just have this bit open. Also the reason I like it, it opens from the bottom here. So it's got 2 compartments, but you can make it one big compartment, so you can unzip it, so it's like one big suitcase. That's the reason I bought it, that's the reason I like it. So yeah, that is all packed, and hopefully not too heavy. Let me grab my other suitcase, like other backpack, just show you the difference, and then I'm gonna go make some dinner, so I'm hungry. Shock. Can't find it. Can't find the bag, but if I find it, I'll show you in a video. So that's it. This has been awful, but I mean, it is what it is. Hopefully we'll get better at this. Like, my sister just pulled up, and the fact that I'm recording myself has made me feel very uncomfortable. So I'm gonna go and play my niece.